Hey, you beautiful people, welcome back to a new vlog on our channel Read Travel Become. Harry Potter fans are in for a treat today. Currently, I am in New York and we are going to a place called Harry Potter New York, which is a themed Harry Potter store. वहाँ पे सारा merchandise मिलता है Harry Potter का. We're going to explore that. It's a new store and I'll also try showing you a little bit of New York in between. Also, I'm going to make a lot of travel videos in the coming weeks, so stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you watch the video till the end. You may never know which thought or fact may resonate with you and change the course of your life. So let's get started. The store which we are going to visit today, it's बहुत नया recent खुला ही है. It's very popular and but unfortunately it's raining. We wanted to take a long walk there, but it's raining, so we took the subway. Whenever you visit New York, it's full of life. वहाँ देखो कुछ तो concert चल रहा है. It's just full of life. And there it is, Harry Potter New York. Exit entrance is the other way around. We didn't really have a mask. Mask is required here, but fortunately we found a sweet lady who was distributing masks, so she gave us a mask and we are going to go inside. These are all the wands. Character wands. Oh, Hermione Granger, Luna Lovegood. Yeah, I told you, no? Grindelwald. Grindelwald had the Elder Wand before Dumbledore. Okay. These are these wands. Wow. Elder Wand. This is Ron's wand. Which always creates a problem. Oh, these are the more powerful wands. Favorite character, Sirius Black. Oh. Look at this. Wow. They show you your Petronas, I think, I am guessing. That's the Quidditch stadium. Being at this place, it just shows how crazy J.K. Rowling, how crazy of a world Rowling has created. Most of them are kids here and I'm sure they have read the books because they're asking for specific things like Ravenclaw's signo or specific things kids are asking here. It's a great feeling to have a community of Potterheads around. Does this open? I think it will open into that green thing. No, it does not. This is a sorting hat. Gryffindor, please be Gryffindor, please be Gryffindor, please be Gryffindor. Whoa. कौन सा ये? Nimbus 3000? No, I don't know which one. So damn cute. Oh, the chocolate section. So they're also playing dialogues, like this area is the Slytherin area because it's all green tiles. So they are playing dialogues from the movie related to Slytherin. So each and every section is actually a house section. It's a beautifully crafted store. That must be named. The bags, you know, every little thing here is straight out of the books. Now take you to the favorite part of everyone. Books. Look at that.
They're actually moving. Look at them. Not side of side. Look at this one.
This is what started everything. This started everything. This started the moment the Potter was the Wizarding World. All the books. Costs $3,500. That's around $3,500 is how much? It's almost 2 lakhs to 2.5 lakhs. You also get the famous butterbeer here. Always wanted to come here. ये हो गया है अभी. Next dream would be to visit any Disneyland and visit the actual theme park of Harry Potter. Hopefully soon. Hopefully we'll visit that someday. That's the end. आ गए बाहर. Experience it was मज़ा आ गया. So this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'm going to upload more such New York travel vlogs, but I wanted this as a separate video because we all love Harry Potter, don't we? So thank you so much for watching the video till here. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Avdut. I post content related to books, productivity and travel. So thank you so much for all the love and support. Do subscribe to my channel if you like the video, if you like the content. And yeah, that's all for this one. See you in the next video. Bye bye.